Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Super Swing Trader. Today we're going to analyze stock ticker BP, British Petroleum, gas station, gas, oil, drilling company. As always, we're going to take a look at this chart. Every candle represents 1 month of time. This is a very strong move down. So after a very strong move like this, we don't want to sell anymore. We want to look for reversals, and it looks like it's reversing. Got a very strong level of supply up here, so lots and lots of opportunity to make money. Lots of room to retracement. Now, it could reverse down, but it's very highly unlikely that it's going to reverse down, because it formed this bullish engulfing candle. This is the signal that there's a demand down here. If it wants to retrace, it could go up higher, or else it could just go up higher without even retracing to it. Now it has a strong impulse right here, and it's trying to react to this impulse. This impulse is not demand, but it's what a lot of people are using for support and resistance. So that's why there's a little bounce, and there are a few orders left that are not filled. That's why the price is reacting a little bit to it. But the true demand, then the next true high probability demand is down here. So if price wants to reach down here, it doesn't have to always reach the original of the move, but if it does, price is most likely going to jump higher. Most likely going to jump all the way up there. Okay. There's nothing much more to say about this other than lots of room to lots of upside. So I'm not telling you how to trade or what to trade, but in this case, it could be, you could have lots of strategies. You can have naked calls. You can buy a call premium for it to go up. There's lots of room to the upside. You can sell premium. Just remember, there's risk to selling premium. You could do iron condor, or you can use any strategy you want. But to me, the stock we're bullish, just because after lots of sell off, it's looking like it's wanting to reverse back up. So we could implement lots of strategies. Me personally, I say, okay, there's a supply zone here, there's demand zone created on here, so I want to be a buyer, not a seller. So I want to buy a long leaps contract, because I know in the next couple of years, this price is gonna go up. So lots of good risk to reward. This is it for the analysis. If you got value from this video, please consider subscribing to the channel. Click on that bell so you get notified of new videos I release in the future. I want you to transform your charts into profits and build a life you love. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.